क्या बताया था? ज़ालिका मीन दैट, अल किताबु द बुक, ला रैबा नो डाउट, फीही इन इट, हुदल लिल मुत्तकीन अ गाइडेंस फॉर द वाइज, अल्लज़ीना दोज हु युमिनून बिल गायब बिलीव इन द अनसीन, व युकीमून सलाता एंड परफॉर्म द प्रेयर, wa mimma and out of what razaqnahum we have provided them yunfiqun they spend. Walladhina yu'minuna, their third quality is this, that walladhina yu'minuna, and those who believe, bima unzila in what has been revealed. Ilaika mean to you, to profit. Okay, wama unzila, and what was revealed, min qablika before you, wa bil akhirati, and in the hereafter, yuqinun they believe with certainty. Ulaika those, ala hudan on guidance, min rabbihim from their Lord, wa ulaika and those are whom they al muflihun the successful. Inna alladhina, today our lesson is this, inna alladhina kafaru, verily those who disbelieve, sawaun is same, alayhim to them, anzartahum you warn them, am lam tunzirhum or do not warn them, or not warn them, la yu'minun they will not believe. Understood? Yes, well done. Khatamallahu, Allah has set a seal, ala qulubihim on their hearts, wa ala sam'ihim and on their hearings, wa ala absarihim and on their eyes, ghishawatun a covering, walahum and for them, azabun a torment, azim great. Understood? وَمِنَ النَّاسِ and of mankind, مَنْ يَقُولُ who say, آمَنَّا بِاللَّهِ we believe in Allah, وَبِالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ and in the day, the last day. Understood? وَمَا هُمْ but they are not بِمُؤْمِنِينَ believers. Why they are saying we are believers? Why? يُخَادِعُونَ اللَّهَ they think to deceive Allah. وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا and those who believe, وَمَا يَخْدَعُونَ while they not deceive, إِلَّا أَنفُسَهُمْ except they themselves. Understood? They can't deceive to Allah and believers. They are deceiving themselves. Wama yash'urun while they pursue it not. Understood? Fi qulubihim in their hearts, marazun a disease, fazadahumullahu so Allah has increased them marada in disease, walahum and for them, azabun a torment, alimun a painful, bima for what, kanu they used to, yakzibun tell lies. Understood?
Yes.
Very good.